is padding left property. Padding left property represents CSS property that we use to set distance between left border of HTML element and content of that HTML element. Let's see some examples. For this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body, and inside of body we have simple text paragraph, and our text paragraph has ID attribute with p1 value. Inside of head, we have defined title for our HTML document, and also we have style block where we're going to define all styles for this HTML document. For now, we have just one p1 ID selector that will select our paragraph from body, and we will apply two simple CSS properties, border and text align. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so first thing that I want to do, for our paragraph, I want to define additional padding on the left side of our paragraph. So inside of p1 selector, let's define padding left. Let's set 40 pixels. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh it. And now we have added additional padding of 40 pixels from the left side. If we inspect our web page, on the right hand side of the screen, you can see how the structure of our web page looks like. So let's expand head, let's expand body, let's expand styles as well. So these are CSS styles that we have defined for our paragraph. If we click here on our paragraph, down here you can see all that styles that we have applied. Okay, so if I hover on the padding left CSS property, you can see here that additional 40 pixels. So if we uncheck this, you can see how our paragraph looks like without it. So let's check this back. So this is with our 40 pixels. Okay, we can click on that 40 pixels and use arrows up and down to increase or to decrease our padding left value. Okay, also instead of pixels, you can use other various units. For example, we can use m values. So let's set, for example, 2m. Okay, you can use points as well. And also we can use percents. So if we set 5%, for example, this means that our padding left will take 5% of complete width of the body. Okay, so this is how we can use padding left CSS properties, so feel free to play around with this.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.